Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check the top crypto coins, the top gainers and top losers using the CoinmarketCap application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I will show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and my growth strategy. So let's jump into it. First, when you open the CoinmarketCap application, you will see at the top of the screen the price alerts, compare, watch list and convert menu points. And then below them you will see the top coins title, and if you tap on it, it will open up the top coin rank list. Right now, as you can see, the Bitcoin is the top on the top, then Ethereum, Cardano, Binance Coin, and so on and so on. You can check all the coins on this top list. You can also choose categories on which you are want to check the list. As you can see right now, it's crypto assets. Then you can tap on the exchanges, which you will see here. Then sectors. So that's how you can use the list. Now I will show you the gainers and losers list. If you tap on this one, you will see the top gainers list. In the last 24 hours, which cryptocurrencies grew the fastest? As you can see, this one, the Safe Bull, was the best with 1,400% growth. You can also check the top losers, which coins lost the most value. As you can see, the worst case was the Baby Bonfire with 95%, 1,000%, I'm sorry. So these are the values that you can check using the CoinmarketCap application. You can also choose the time interval on which you are looking. As you can see, this is 1 hour, 24 hours, or 1 week. So that's how you can find cryptos, which one should you buy or which one should you sell. I think it's pretty useful, and they have very clear statistics. It's easy to look through. So thank you for watching. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.